Okay, thank you. You can see on stage with me there's Barira. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce her from Now PDP. You know, break time में मैं यही सोच रही थी and I was asking Nida कि आप थक गई होंगी and I was wondering how is she going to do this the whole day. But of course, I think again our partners are always very, very inclusive and they take care of these small little things as well. So thank you, Barira, for joining us and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Without further ado, I think let's move into our next segment. And I'm very, very interested to kind of take a seat and see how this one goes. Because I've heard a lot about building inclusive leaders early in my career, you know, and I still feel we haven't got it right. And I really am curious to see what Anam will, you know, what she has in store for us. I don't know if you guys saw Anam or met her because our tea break bhi hua tha, and the whole intent was for you guys to network as well. So Anam heads the diversity at HBL. But before I hand over to her, I do want to say that how many people in the audience think leadership can begin before your first job? कितने लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि यार जॉब ज़रूरत नहीं है, मतलब लीडरशिप तो कहीं पे भी हो सकती है. Okay, I can see a few hands. And I like that because मुझे याद है जब मैं लीडरशिप की ट्रेनिंग कराती थी, ये बहुत बड़ा एक डिबेट होता था कि क्या लीडर्स बॉर्न होते हैं या they can be made as well, बनाए जा सकते हैं. And I think people like us who are in this corporate world doing jobs with that whole leadership, you know, ability or leadership development, we wouldn't exist agar ye sikhaya nahi ja sakta. So it is a skill that can absolutely be taught. You can learn it. Sure, there are leaders who are born as well. But without further ado, I think I'm going to hand over to Anam Afzal, again joining us from HBL, Head of Diversity. So let's see what she has to say about this. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Anam Afzal and I'm the Head Diversity at HBL. First of all, I would like to let you all know that it's an absolute pleasure to stand before a group and talk about something that is extremely close to my heart, that is inclusion. And before I do that, I want to also acknowledge that in the room right now, we have people from different worlds. They are students, they are entrepreneurs, and they are homemakers sitting right here. And this conversation is not only about one set that's sitting here. It's for each one of us. और ये मैं इसलिए कह सकती हूँ क्योंकि इतने सारे साल काम करने के बाद for banking and for academia, अगर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे ना कि who in the room struggles the most, I will tell you based on my experience, it's not somebody who is least intelligent. It is somebody who wasn't taught how to work across differences. जो कमरे में होते हैं ना, हमें लगता है कि जो the group rising the fastest are the ones who are the smartest. No. They are the ones who are collaborative, who are emotionally aware, and who can be trusted. So आज जो हम बात करेंगे, we are not talking about anything fancy, कोई buzzwords नहीं, कोई jargons नहीं, कोई leadership books से कोई बातें नहीं, nothing. Something extremely practical that can probably change one thing how people experience around you. Whether you are at work or you are an entrepreneur running a business or a student or just a homemaker, right? And that's exactly what we are coming down to. When I was putting this slide, I was extremely confused because I haven't done this before. And I was very skeptical कि ये मुझे क्यों करना पड़ रहा है. But मुझे लगा ये शायद आप लोगों का right है कि जो आपसे आज यहाँ खड़े होकर बात कर रही है, उसका कुछ experience है जिसकी basis पे वो बात कर रही है. So after 14 years of experience working for Pakistan's largest bank and one of the prestigious educational institute, I have built training programs reaching thousands not only locally but internationally as well. I have worked on the gender inclusion strategy. I have worked through leadership development, organizational culture, and talent transformation. And if you ask me कि इन सारे सालों ने आपको सिखाया क्या है, तो मैं एक चीज़ बड़ी confidently बोल सकती हूँ, humility. And why do I say that? Because inclusion work is going to push you literally to realize experience honge, there will be experiences you all need to understand that you haven't lived. There will be perspectives that you haven't considered. And there will be people that you have unintentionally left out. And that's the lesson that is going to matter through and through in your life, based on which you can become better human beings. So while we are talking about becoming better human beings, let's first see the kind of world that we are operating in. सारे हार्ड फैक्ट्स हैं, आप खुद भी रिसर्च कर सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जो मैंने बहुत ढूंढ के या सोच के लिखा है. Unfortunately, still women hold less than a third in top leadership roles worldwide. I'm not talking about only Pakistan. For every 100 men, 93 women get promoted in management roles, and this hasn't changed over a decade. Yes, workspaces are evolving, but when I come down to the fact that of the future jobs available right now, adaptability, collaboration, and being emotionally intelligent are the keys that we do look for, not only the technical skills. And yes, inclusive teams will always outperform the non-inclusive teams. तो अभी जो हम discussion या conversation कर रहे हैं, वो ये नहीं कर रहे हैं कि let's be nice. नहीं, let's be effective. Trust, leadership, problem solving. ये वो skill set है जो आपको पता होना चाहिए, because yes, I'll agree, technical skills will land you a shortlist, no doubt. But human skills will probably determine what people feel around you as you are leading. So whether you're a homemaker or you're an entrepreneur or you're a student, trust changes everything. अब जब हम बात करने लगे हैं तो हम थोड़ी सी पहले basics पे बात करेंगे, and that is inclusion. I'm not talking about, like I said, I'm not talking about at the moment. Inclusion को जैसे ही लोग सुनते हैं तो उनको लगता है either this is policies or this is some HR work or this is around some quotas. No. बहुत basics और बहुत छोटी चीज़ों से start होता है inclusion. It looks like listening to somebody with intent without being jittery to respond back. हमें ये होता है ना जल्दी, बस सुनना बाद में, जवाब पहले दे देना है. That's inclusion going down the drain. हमें लगता है कि नोटिस करना उस बंदे को जो शायद बात करते करते चुप हो गया, just because someone else was constantly demeaning them. They were contributing, but then somebody was like putting them down every time. They stopped contributing. या pause करके किसी से पूछ लेना कि I'm sorry, you haven't interacted or contributed yet. Any thoughts? So इस point पे, I don't want you to challenge, but at least catch your own assumptions. Ask yourself, when was the last time you trusted somebody who was different from you? Either वो university different हो, वो vicinity different हो, वो कोई काम different कर रहा हो. We do judge. और जो exclusion होता है ना, वो किसी बैंक के साथ नहीं आता. जो मैं बात करी थी ना, it comes through these quiet moments, these dismissals, these disagreements, interruptions, and most important, ignorance. Abhi, while Reena was introducing me and she asked you all a question, and I would like to probably build upon that. जब हमने इंक्लूजन की बात कर ली है जो इतनी सिंपल है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लीडरशिप, क्योंकि हमें लगता है if we are talking about leadership, we need a title, we need an office, we need a salary. That's only when leadership makes sense to us. To the homemaker sitting here, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे कहूँगी, you are the ones managing competing priorities, emotional dynamics, negotiations, conflicts, decision making, day in, day out. ये normal leadership भी नहीं है, this is complex leadership. To the entrepreneurs in this room, your ability to work for different people, that's impacting directly on your trust, your reputation, your growth. सो अगर आपके पास सामने कोई 2 क्लाइंट्स बैठे हुए हैं और उनमें से शायद कोई एक क्लाइंट जो है उसको लगता है कि मुझे नहीं समझा गया, दैट इज inclusion affecting your result. And for the students here, you have the opportunity. You have the opportunity to start fresh. You can still instill these habits before workspaces make the consequences look bigger. So trust me, each one of you in this room is a leader in their own capacity and you are practicing leadership every day. और इसकी के बेसिस के ऊपर I would like to talk about this particular scenario. एक ऐसा सिनेरियो जो इस रूम में बैठा हुआ है वो रिलेट कर पाएगा. Either that's a university project, in a friend circle, at home, at work, in business. Let's take a very basic example of WhatsApp. एक WhatsApp का ग्रुप बनता है, 3 लोग ही कंट्रीब्यूट करते रहते हैं, डिसीजंस भी वही ले लेते हैं, प्लान्स भी वही बना लेते हैं, सब कुछ वही कर लेते हैं. Why? Because A, we default to similarities. The loudest voices get heard. The fastest voices get heard. People similar to us make sense to us. Rest doesn't. And part B, it will just cost one sentence. Sarah, what do you think? You haven't said anything. और इतने सारे सालों के काम करने के बाद मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि जो सारा को आपने इग्नोर किया था ना, she will have something valuable to contribute. We just do not realize. That Sarah is going to change the complete picture of how we are looking at things. And that's fine. That's great. क्योंकि एक्सक्लूजन जो होती है ना, लाइक आई सेड, इन द क्वाइट मोमेंट्स, वो किसी क्रूअल्टी के थ्रू नहीं आ रही है. कोई किसी के साथ बदतमीजी करके किसी को एक्सक्लूड नहीं कर रहा होता, वो ऐसे ही हो रही होती है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी नीड टू लर्न. नाउ while I'm talking about this, and something that I also reiterated in my shout out video for PSTD and this particular session, inclusion, please understand, it is not a policy. It's a pause. It's a chance, it's a moment, it's a sentence. That's all inclusion is all about. आपको लग रहा होगा, अच्छा अगर आप inclusion पे बात करें तो शायद हमें बहुत ज़्यादा next please, बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ moral conversation, morals पे बात करने की ज़रूरत है. No, inclusion is basically a leadership advantage. If you ask me, an inclusive leader, right, will probably have people trusting him or her. Their teams will collaborate openly. They will probably have better network because they know how to make others feel. And their problem solving skills will always be on point because they are not ignoring anybody in the room. So when I say inclusive leadership, I personally mean it's not a soft skill. It's a career accelerator for everybody sitting in this room. Now, after I can tell you very confidently the repeated behaviors of that inclusive leadership that I'm right now telling you about. I'm not going to go into detail for all of these because they're all self-explanatory, but let me speak about courage. When I come down to courage, ये सबसे easy होती है to avoid. क्योंकि भाई जो चीज़ आप बड़े आराम से privately दिल में ही किसी के साथ accept कर सकते हो कि ये तो unfair हो रहा है, तो वो तो easy हुआ ना. It always take a muscle to sit in a room and talk about something जिसके बारे में बाकी सब खामोश हैं. But understand that if something is not sitting well for you, understand and remember this. You have to speak. Because if you do not speak now, you won't speak ever. हमें ये सिखाया, बताया, समझाया जाता है, ambitious people वो होते हैं जो लोगों को impress करें. नहीं. When it comes down to collaboration, I cannot emphasize enough that it means how you are taking people together. And something which is very, very close to my heart, very important, I have learned in my way, the cultural intelligence. This brings a shift in your maturity. Please understand, अगर आप different हो ना तो आप गलत नहीं हो, या अगर कोई और different है तो वो गलत नहीं है. Try to understand one thing, that they have lived a life different from yours, and that's it. आपको और इसको खुरेदने की या do not dig deeper for no reason. Just respect. And I will now, based on what I've just said, I will give you an example. Back in the day, I remember when I was building a training program for a certain job role family, मैंने बड़े मज़े में जब वो content create किया, मुझे ऐसा लगा, मेरा structure excellent, मेरी timing excellent, मेरा content excellent, and while I was just talking and talking, I saw that somebody in the room, because it was a group of 25 individuals, और एक खातून थी जो खामोश बैठी हुई थी, and I could feel she's disconnected. First, I respected her space. Then I just went up to her in break time that I'm so sorry. I just want to know, is everything okay? And she said, मुझे जो भी आप बता रही हैं ना, nothing relates to me. उसकी कोई भी example मुझे relate नहीं करी. अब मेरा जो हमारा normally reaction होता है कि हमें लगता है हमें किसी ने कैसे गलत कह दिया, हम यहाँ खड़े हुए हैं, वो वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, वो हमें बताएंगे अब. And I remember I just heard her, I did not react, I did not respond, and I said, oh, okay, let me just come back to you. And I just reflected then and there, and I realized she's absolutely right. Why? Because मैंने एक training content बनाया था एक job role family के लिए. मुझे लगा जब एक job role family है, एक organization है, तो सारे के सारे मसले, सारा backgrounds, सारे experiences, वो तो सब same ही होंगे. How can those be different? That's why I made something thinking this fits all. But no, it doesn't fit all. And that's why I said in the beginning, inclusion requires humility. Humility to realize that your version of normal is not universal. Something that we all know, but a reiteration is always good. So entrepreneurs, when you are building products for others, this time think, who did you not design for? Homemakers, when you are taking decisions for the family, for others, किसकी से आपने ignore कर दिया? Students, when they're leading projects, किसकी contribution को हमने आगे ही नहीं आने दिया? And that will tell a lot about how you are practicing inclusion. You think you are inclusive. These moments will tell you maybe otherwise. Now I will talk about something which is very practical. और ये इसलिए क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जब हम inclusion की बात करते हैं तो we need to understand that it is important to see that how you treat people will tell a lot about you, will tell a lot about your reputation before you get a title. Right? So the entrepreneur sitting in the room, customers will always remember how safe, understood, protected they felt when you were interacting with them. Students, it's important on your CV where technical skills will always be helpful, but do put in mind that collaboration, leadership, being emotionally intelligent, adaptable will land you jobs. ये नहीं कि आप interview के दौरान ये बोलेंगे जी I work well with teams. No. You tell them that I have the ability, or I observe, I notice the quieter ones in the room, and I try to make space for them. That is something by which you will be remembered. To the homemakers, good deeds everybody will forget. But how you spoke to them, how you made them feel, will always be remembered. So I think it's important that we understand and take this forward. Next slide. If you're building something, please remember people experience your values before they experience your product. How you are dealing with your vendors, your team, your interns, your assistants, everything. That's your reputation. To the homemakers who are managing so much with that kind of endurance that probably none of us have, that negotiation skills, that crisis management, that invisible labor every single day. That's not leadership. Like I said, it's complex leadership, and surprisingly, that's transferable. You can easily transfer those skills to others. To the students, like I said, you have time before the world hardens you. So start now. And to the women who are probably going to start after a break or want to start after a break, something that they think about themselves कि जो gap आ गया है ना visibility में, probably that's lack of capability. No. There are people in this world who are looking for somebody as resilient, as mature as you. So do not wait for leadership to happen. Do not wait for that title is what I want to focus on. While I'm slowly and gradually going towards the end of this conversation, there are 3 things you can do differently. Number 1, in your next meeting, conversation, friends, family, whoever, try to notice who always stays quiet and just ask 4 words. What do you think? That's a difference that you have made for the first time, but it will have an impact that is lasting. Number 2, catch one of your assumptions this week that why do you always connect with people who are similar to you? And if there are people different and you want to ask a question, why not? Ask. Don't assume, don't judge. And number 3, publicly acknowledge people who go unnoticed. Either that's at home, at work, in your business, in your circle, at university, anywhere. Because ये बात आप माने ना माने, हम कहते हैं कि जो culture है वो कोई और आकर हमारे लिए बनाएगा. Culture कोई और आके नहीं बनाता, ना घर का, ना business का, ना university का, ना काम का. Culture आप लोग बनाओगे और इन्हीं moments के through culture बनता है, by the way. So these are those women who did not wait. Malala probably started from a space which is extremely ordinary, her school. She did not need a title to speak, an authority, just conviction. Satya, a powerful CEO. If you ask me, she just transformed the culture with her empathy. No ego, no dominance, just empathy. Yara, she felt that people the younger lot is always excluded from important conversations, so she transformed it. So if you guys think, and if there is something that is frustrating you, maybe that's an indication to each one of you to make that first or take that first step towards a leadership transformation. Why not? Few of my learnings after working for 14 years, you will walk into rooms where you do not feel as if you belong. और वो सही बात होगी, ऐसा नहीं कि वो गलत है. Maybe you are the only woman, maybe you are the youngest, maybe there are unfamiliar voices, but trust me, that's not permanent. That's not the truth. It will pass. Second, people will always underestimate you. You do not have to win every argument, please. Your work, yourself, you have to build yourself that strong that it speaks for itself. And I can tell you because that's what I did. You will get inclusion wrong. I did not learn this while I was a kid. And that's okay. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Fourth, being generous. Giving space to others or building space for others is going to come back to you tenfold, and you're not going to realize this now. And it will happen in its due course. And again, leadership, in the end, leadership is not a title. Everybody in this room, from homemakers to entrepreneurs to students to maybe the junior staff to anybody in the room right now, you guys can probably shift the energy of a room just by empathy and your presence. You just need to believe in yourself like that. So before I move towards questions, I would like all of you to reflect who around you need more space. What assumption are you carrying? And not only catch that assumption, but challenge that assumption. What kind of leader do you want others to feel about you? Because that is inclusion. So before I end, as I started my initial presentation on, I will close with the same thing. Inclusion is not a corporate terminology, it's a human one. And I can safely say that after 14 years of experience. And I'm extremely sure of that. In the end, please, as you leave the room, try to make somebody feel they belong. Either at home, in your circle, at university, in your business, because culture will really happen through one giant moment. It will happen when ordinary people like us keep choosing over and over again not to make someone else feel small. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your patience. I would now like to open the floor for question answers. I feel I have 5 minutes. Do I? Yes. So if there are any questions, I would like to now open the floor.
Hello, ma'am. This is Simriti. So I have this question that does inclusion also include when there's a competition? Like I'm a high school student. Do we include inclusion in that as well?
Why not? That's
How?
your is inclusion your value for starters?
Yeah, of course.
Like I said, that's exactly what I focused on. If that is your value, that is going to become your reputation before you get a title. So that's how people will know you. I have worked in competitions. I have followed my line. I knew I had to work on myself. I had to work or deliver something that is distinctive. Same goes for you. In university, you have to come up with projects, ideas that are innovative, that are different, that will make you stand out. But in that process, who is telling you to leave your values? You can always include, you can always take people together with you, and you will feel that difference. And like I said, maybe it starts early. It's just that unfortunately, times have now changed. We have now become aware we are having these conferences. In our time, I will be very honest, I did not know inclusion back then. But maybe I did not know inclusion like I know now. I was practicing in a very different way, but yes, if I'm here, I am here because of my values. So you do not have to compromise on your values ever.
All right, indeed. We're really grateful for your lecture today. Thank you.
I'm grateful too. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're
Assalamu
doing well. Actually, my question is regarding the human nature. If somebody has the potential, intelligence, and ideas, but due to their introvert nature, they cannot interact or can be a leader, then what are your tips for them to get succeed?
मैं खुद जिंदगी भर इंट्रोवर्ट ही रही हूँ.
That's great, by the way.
So experiences will teach you. I'm not saying you will wait for those experiences. जब आएंगे तब आप leader बनोगे. I would like I said, start early. It's okay. Take your time. Take it easy with whatever you are comfortable with. अगर एक gathering है, start with family. Maybe that's easier. There are people you can trust. कभी आप कुछ बोलो, कभी अपने व्यू पॉइंट्स हो, गलत होगा ना, हंसेंगे. That's just making your skin thick. That's all of these circumstances will actually prepare you. All my life in university, I have graduated from CBM. All my life in university, I would never speak to anybody else. And the first job I got, that was at Franklin Covey. It was a training consultant. And I was working with Andali Babas at that point in time. And I remember, मेरा पहला job role मुझसे ये demand कर रहा था कि मैंने जाना है एक unknown XYZ कंपनी के अंदर और मुझे जाके उनके ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स जो हैं वो पिच करने हैं. So imagine somebody who does not want to talk about anything. And here I had to talk to strangers. And not only just go and talk, I had to convince them. That literally built my confidence. In the beginning, I was not happy. And here I am standing before you after 14 years. So trust me, you will learn. You need to believe in yourself and you need to start practicing in your family, in your friends, and slowly and gradually you won't realize it will become a part of you. And you will become a leader, even if you're an introvert.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Ji.
I have one question.
Ji.
I would really ask to you, being a leader, how do you manage to connect with or match vibe with those people जिनसे आपको मतलब उनसे वाइब मैच नहीं होती आपकी, तो आप उनसे कैसे बातचीत करते हैं?
देखें, आपका जो ये प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड है ना, अगर मैं बहुत ही अभी फ्रैंकली बात कर रही हूँ, I personally I've always felt that the professional world is not your mother, is not going to nurture you, right? Is not going to take care of you like that. The experiences that you will have here will teach you and make you become a different person. They will always be, by the way, the minute you step anywhere, चाहे आप अपनी फैमिली गैदरिंग में स्टेप इन करें, चाहे अपने दोस्तों में स्टेप इन करें, चाहे आप कोई बिजनेस कर रहे हो, चाहे आप काम कर रहे हो, लोग हमेशा डिफरेंट होंगे. But your focus should be what you have to build, right? And if you have to work with them, it will probably teach you to be inclusive. All you have to do is be respectful. बहुत सारे लोग आपकी गैदरिंग में होते हैं, मेरे वर्क स्पेस में हैं, जिनके बिलीव्स और मेरे बिलीव्स में बहुत फ़र्क है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैंने अपने आप को उन जैसा बना लेना या उन्होंने मेरे जैसे बना लेना है. हमें साथ चलना है because of a certain job project that we are working upon. I need that thought, I need that mind, so I'm going to work with that.
Okay, ma'am, you are saying you have to be coexist with everyone.
Absolutely. Collaboration is what I said in the beginning. That is a skill that everybody needs to learn. Vibe कभी भी मैच नहीं होगी.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम 1.5 साल तक जो है वो मैंने कोशिश की. इसके रूल्स क्या हैं बेसिकली, कि अगर आप किसी के साथ मैनेज करना चाह रहे हैं, इंक्लूसिव होना चाह रहे हैं, उसको अटैच करना चाह रहे हैं, उसको समझाना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ जो है वो डिस्टर्ब हो रही है उसकी वजह से, सपोज करें, एक रूल क्या है, कब तक जो है वो ब्रेक लगा देना है?
आपने ट्राई कर लिया?
यस मैम.
और आपको लगता है नहीं डिफरेंस आ रहा ना, वो आप you guys are not getting to a middle ground, and I always say because mental health comes on top of everything. मैंने आपको ये नहीं कहीं कहा कि इंक्लूसिव होने के चक्करों में आप अपने आप को खत्म कर लो.
मैम तो रूल्स किस?
It's okay. You can change your route. If you guys have to be in some place, if you're a subordinate, see, it is always important. अब मुझे नहीं पता किस सेटिंग में है आप, क्या प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के हिसाब से बात कर रहे हो?
प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के हिसाब से बात कर रहा हूँ.
प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के हिसाब से बात कर रहे हो, कोई आपका सबऑर्डिनेट है या आपका टीम मेंबर है?
मैम कोलीग है, साथ में है,
साथ में किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो?
साथ काम कर रहे हैं, उसको समझाया कि हर जब आएगा तो मूड उसका ख़राब रहेगा, उसकी वजह से हमारा भी जो है ना प्रोफेशनल एनवायरनमेंट ख़राब हो जाता है. तो अब इसका क्या सोल्यूशन? काम तो करना मजबूरी.
हाँ, आप अपनी तरफ से ट्राई कर रहे हो टू मेक द इन्वायरमेंट बेटर, एंड आई वुड वांट यू टू बी एट इट, बिकॉज इन द एंड उसका मूड इज नॉट गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट योर ग्रोथ, योर वर्क, राइट? All you have to do is that yes, you probably have an example that yes, there are different people, there are difficult people, and right now if you are in a space जहाँ आप लोगों को मिलकर काम करना है, so you have to focus on work. I'm constantly coming back down to what I've said constantly, that it's your work that will speak. You need to build yourself strong. आप ज़रूर उसको guide करो because maybe he needs help. अगर उसका mood ख़राब रह रहा है, maybe there are some concerns. Be respectful. But जब काम की बारी आई तो काम करना है और वो मिल के करना है. So you have to put your foot down. फिर वहाँ दोस्तियाँ नहीं, ये नहीं कि जब आप बस वही, you don't have to be nice, you have to be effective. Problem solving, leadership, trust is what is going to get you. So please, try ज़रूर करो, उसकी help कर लो, but only till a limit. You also have your boundaries. Set those boundaries. Why not? But I do not want to convey this that you have to be disrespectful, demean somebody or whatever they are going through because you do not know their struggles.
हेलो मैम.
Hello.
बेसिकली मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि एज ए स्टूडेंट तो आपने कहा कि विदाउट जॉब टाइटल आप लीडरशिप सीख सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आप कोई जॉब कर रहे हो और उसके बाद सुपीरियर लेवल पे आपके पास कोई जैसे हायर मैनेजर है, तो वो लीडरशिप तो उसके पास होगी ना. हम एज अ लीडरशिप क्या काम कर सकते हैं पे?
आप एज अ लीडर अपनी स्पेस में, क्योंकि मैंने कहा था जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं उनके पास स्पेस होती है, बिकॉज अभी उन्होंने काम नहीं करना शुरू किया होता, तो वो अपने सर्कल में, जैसे कि आई हैड रिस्पॉन्डेड टू समबडी दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर सर्कल फर्स्ट. अपने घर से आपको समझने की ज़रूरत है. हमें ये सब पहले नहीं सिखाया जाता, राइट? एज यू स्टार्ट गोइंग आउट एंड लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, द consequences out there make you hardened or make you learn otherwise. आपकी values will make you stand out. Of course, आपका एक कोई लीडर है, आपको लीड कर रहा है, एक certain way में कर रहा है, आप ज़रूर सीख रहे हो, but आप जो अपना काम डेवलप कर रहे हो, वो कैसे डेवलप कर रहे हो?
उससे भी
You
हमें-
do have a skill in you, right? You are leading something on your own. You are building something for them. They are in the front, but you are building that right from your desk.
Thank you.
So you will always be, everyone, right from the start. Unfortunately, I did not know, but we all started as leaders. बस हम भूल जाते हैं. हमें लगता है कोई और हमें पेव करके बताए सब कुछ.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all. No problem. Thank you so much once again. It was lovely connecting. If you would want to continue, I'm here. Thank you.
Again, I know that
Somewhat picture,
Amala doesn't need